Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is breaking a 40-hour fast, what I ate today. So I'm just going to show you what I'm eating today after doing a 40-hour fast. And the first thing I want to mention is if you've never fasted for at least 36 hours, I highly recommend trying it out. And what I mean by fasting for 36 hours is you wake up one day, you don't eat anything at all during the day, you go to bed at night and you don't eat anything, and then you just wake up the next day and have breakfast whenever you would normally have that. So typically when I do that, it turns out to be about a 40 to 42 hour fast just because of the times that I eat during the day. I generally eat around 1 o'clock and finish around 7 or 8 p.m. So yeah, this is a 40-hour fast. I throw these in sometimes. I'm not going to go over all the health benefits of it. There's a lot of studies and a lot of health benefits from fasting for at least 36 hours on occasion. So I do that. And I'm starting off today with a fruit salad. I've been getting good pineapples, good mangoes, and I also threw some bananas in here. So pineapple, mango, and banana fruit salad to start it off. It's around 12 o'clock right now, and this is my first meal in about 40 hours or so. So I'm gonna enjoy this. And as far as doing, fasting for 36 to 40 hours, I just drink water only, no coffee, nothing else. I don't add anything to the water. So I personally just do either, filtered water or spring water would be my recommendation. So if you've never done it, like I said, I highly recommend it. You may have, the first couple times you do it, you may get like a headache or, have some sort of detox symptoms because you're not used to not eating for that long, but I've done it several times now. I've done it many times. I try to do it at least once a month. And so I don't have any kind of symptoms when I do it. So on the days that I do that, I don't work out though. I just kind of take it easy. It's just kind of a nice rest, a nice break for my body, kind of give my body a nice rest, giving my digestion a rest. And like I said, there's a lot of long-term health benefits. I'm not going to get into that here, but I'm just going to show you what I'm eating today, and I'm starting off with that fruit salad, and I'll be back in a little bit with what I'll be having next.
A little bit after that, I cut up a melon, and I've been getting some good melons, so I've been enjoying those recently.
Now it's about 2 p.m., and I put together some oatmeal. This is about a serving and a half of organic rolled oats that I cooked up on the stove. And to that, I'm going to put a few things on it. I'm going to do a scoop of peanut butter. And this is a really good brand of peanut butter called CB's Nuts. Just one ingredient, organic roasted peanuts. So a little scoop of peanut butter there. I'm gonna throw in a banana that I sliced up. And I'm gonna throw on some frozen blueberries. And I got some almond milk. Simple recipe, haven't made one like this lately. There it is, try that out, looks good. And I'll be back in a little bit with what I'll be having next today.
Then at 6 p.m., I put together a salad. I had mixed greens, I had a cucumber, an apple, an avocado, and tomatoes. And then 7 p.m., I put together a burrito. I had a bowl of blueberries and some dates and prunes. And on the burrito, it had rice, beans, avocado, and salsa. And I ended up having 2 burritos. And then I had a little bit of dark chocolate chips for dessert. So that was it. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some great recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts. Subscribe for more videos. I hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.